Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another StarLine i96, only this time we're using actually a two-way pager system and we actually connected it to the phone. So just to show you quickly, when you actually leave the vehicle, when you arm it with the original remote control, you'll see you'll get a dome around the outside. When you come back to the vehicle, the dome will disappear. Also, you can arm it from the original phone app as well, so if I push and hold, I can arm it and you'll see it lock. When I come back to the vehicle, push and hold again, and it will unlock. If I want to find where the vehicle is within a given Bluetooth range, push and hold this, release, and there you go, you've just got a little chirp and a little horn. Also, you've got another app called a StarLine Key app, which you can also arm, which is this one here. So if I push and hold and release, there you go, system is armed. When I come back, if I want to disarm it, I can disarm it through here. Also, we've actually added a two-way pager system, which is this here. So obviously when I leave the vehicle, if I arm it, there you go, you see a dome around the actual two-way pager. When I come back to the vehicle, if I hit the disarm, we'll see it's disarmed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to arm the vehicle and I'm going to show you how it actually protects. So we'll wait for a few seconds for it to arm. So what I'm going to do now, I'm actually going to open the door and we're going to see it trigger. But before we do that, I'm actually going to apply force to the van. So here you can see now on the pager it's actually triggering. So if we now disarm it, there you go, it's actually giving us two-way notification that the alarm is triggered. So what I'm now going to do is I'm actually going to arm it and we're going to actually try the other side with the key. So what we're going to do now that it's armed, I'm going to mechanically unlock it with the key on this side so you can actually see it trigger. There you go, pager's going off, door entry. This system has also got what we call CAN block immobilising, so when the system's armed, you won't be able to start the vehicle. This was just a short video just to show our customers how it works. Also, when you take the car for a service, or should I say the van for a service, you don't have to give them the two-way pager, you don't have to give them the phone, and you want to put it into value mode, this is how you do it. Right, so to put it into value mode, really simple. Just basically with the app here, put your finger on the key, hold it till it goes to amber and then release. That's now in valet mode. So now when you lock it and unlock it, you see there's no chirping going on. You get the vehicle back, put your finger on it again, push and hold till it goes back to green and then release. That's now out of valet mode. And also you can hear in the background the two-way pagers giving us chirping as notification that it's coming in and out of valet mode. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.